In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy phone is showing the slow charging error. So the first thing you need to do is open the settings app. Now here tap on battery. Now in this menu, you first need to tap on this battery protection feature and then disable it. Now go back to the previous menu, scroll down and then tap on charging settings. Now here you need to ensure that the fast charging option and the super fast charging option is enabled. So simply go ahead and enable all the toggles from here. Now unplug your charger and then plug it back in and see if it works. However, if it still doesn't work, make sure you are using a fast charging adapter. So you need to ensure that your adapter says super fast charging or fast charging. If you have a different adapter that's from a reputable brand, you can also try that and see if it removes the error. Similarly, you also need to check the cable that you are using. So if the cable that you are using doesn't support fast charging, you may get this slow charging error. So make sure to try replacing the cable as well. If you are certain that both the adapter and the cables are fine, you need to check the USB port on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If it has any dust or debris inside, you need to clean it. You can use a toothpick or similar object to clean the USB port and see if that gets rid of the error. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.